What if you had access to what many people would call the perfect strategy? A strategy so good that it made me forget what a red month looks like. This strategy makes me and many of my community members over $10,000 a month, and in this video I will show you how. What better way to show you guys the strategy than going over a trade I took that made me $1,800, and I also sent this trade in my SMC trading group. One of my members took it and he was able to profit 1.5% and therefore pass the FTMO challenge. So right here is exactly when I opened the chart on EuroCat for that specific day, and the first thing that I saw was that price was constantly heading lower and lower. Okay, this right here is a very clear bearish price action. Right here we had a shift in momentum, a bearish one. We swept liquidity to the upside with this fake out. We swept the liquidity, and after that the market showed its true intentions by heading lower and lower. Because of that, I then told myself, okay, I will definitely look for a bearish setup. In order to trade this strategy, you need to understand the three following concepts: market structure, imbalance, and supply and demand. So after I saw that we have a bearish price action, I then checked the daily time frame to see how we are looking on the daily. On the daily, I saw that we had a major level of structure that was broken right here. In fact, there were two. It was this low right here and this higher low right here as well. So this is a extra layer of confirmation. Once again, the first step is market structure. After I saw this, I decided to draw my daily range, which was of course a bearish one, from this high to this newly created low that broke structure. So this was the daily bearish range. After that, I then went on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour, I then asked myself, do I have imbalance in my area of interest? Now, you might be asking, well, what is the area of interest? The area of interest in a bearish scenario is the area above the 50% level, okay, between the 50 and the 100. This right here is the area of interest. And now I need to see if we have imbalance. The answer to that is yes, we do. Okay, so real quick, we have imbalance right here. We also have imbalance here. We also have some more imbalance right here. So the answer to that is yes. We had an impulsive move towards the downside, so we can definitely take this range in consideration. After that, I then marked some very key supply levels. By key, I mean unmitigated supply levels. These are the supply levels I'm always looking for in a bearish scenario. The first one was this one here, this unmitigated supply. And the second one was this one right here. Now, what I wanted to see is a corrective pullback towards these supply levels in order for me to take them. Because although everything is in place, if for some reason I see a very aggressive pullback, I am disconsidering the setup. So my final confirmation is always a corrective pullback towards my area of interest. In this case, the point of interest is this one here, this unmitigated supply, as well as this one right here. And in addition, we can see that this unmitigated supply level is lining up perfectly with the 50% level on the fib, which is a great added confidence as well. So now we need to wait for the final confirmation. Let's play the price, and we can see that we do have a corrective pullback indeed. Okay, this looks corrective to me. And I think right here is when I decided to take this setup. So I entered a sell limit. The entry price was here. The stop loss was right above the zone, and the take profit was right here. And of course, I then set this trade in my SMC trading group as well. And on that note, if you are ready to pass these prop firm challenges with ease, go ahead and join us. It's the first link down below in the video description. Now we can play the price and see when this setup triggered. So let's play the price. Let's continue. Once again, very, very corrective looking, which is great. And right here, it triggered. And check this out, textbook sniper entry. This is exactly what we want. It literally tapped our entry, it tapped the zone, and it went straight into profits. Okay, right here, the first two targets were smashed. Let's play the price. And the final one was smashed here. So we can see that it smashed our final target in 2 candles. Okay, this was a very beautiful trade. Once again, exactly what we were looking for. A tap in straight reaction, and boom, straight to the targets. And this was the exact trade I took, and with it I made $1,800 in profits on my account. And once again, one of my members took it as well, and he was able to secure 1.5%, which was the amount he needed in order to pass the FTMO challenge. And to quickly recap, first of all, we need to look for market structure. Is the market bearish or bullish? After that, we need to identify the range, the bearish or the bullish range. After that, we need to place the fib level and ask ourselves if we have imbalance in the premium or the discount of that range. If we have, then we identified the unmitigated supplies or unmitigated demands if it's a bullish range. After that, we need to wait for our final confirmation, which is a corrective pullback. If we get that, we can then take the trade, apply proper risk, and see how it goes. That right there is the plan that you need to respect in order to trade this strategy profitably. And on that note, if you're currently struggling identifying imbalance or fair value gaps, make sure to watch the video that will appear on the screen right now. And after you watch it, trust me, you will become a master in identifying fair value gaps.